How to zoom in and out of your laptop screen. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a shortcut on how you can zoom in and out of your laptop screen. It's quite easy, but before we begin, make sure to head down below and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It would help us out a lot, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get updated on future videos. On that note, let's begin our video. Alright, so this shortcut is inbuilt, so you don't have to mess around with any other settings on your device. It is inbuilt and it is available on all of the laptops. So what you want to do is where your mouse is, it will zoom in there. So let's say if I want to zoom in on this part of the wallpaper, I'm just going to press on the Windows key and then plus. So if I press Windows and plus, it will automatically open up the magnifier, and if I click here, it will zoom in on my screen. And to zoom out, similarly, Windows plus minus, you have to continuously press it and it will zoom in and out of the screen. So let's say if I want to zoom in on this this icon, so I'm going to take my mouse there and press Windows plus plus, and Windows minus will zoom out of the screen like so. So this is the inbuilt shortcut on your Microsoft device that you can use to zoom in and out of your screen. If you found the video helpful, hit the like and subscribe. I will catch you on the next one.